Hey guys, what we got today here is a parts from a Zenith console stereo record player, AM/FM radio stereo with a record player. The guy brought this to me instead of letting me come over, or still having me go over to his house to look at it. He decided to take it completely apart and brought all the parts to me to have me fix it. So I guess I told him it would have been easier. He didn't even think about that. But anyway, so what the problem was, it was on, he was playing it, and it was working great, and all of a sudden he said it was a loud pop noise come out of both the speakers, and then all of a sudden a loud humming noise, a loud buzzing, humming noise. It was just very, very, very loud, and it wouldn't pick up any more stations or anything. Everything just kind of quit except the loud humming, buzzing noise. So all you vintage TV and radio collectors know what that is. Yeah, we had a main filter capacitor went open on it. I did another video of the repair, and then somehow when I was uploading the video to YouTube, I must have hit a wrong button somehow when I was trying to upload it, and I deleted the darn video. So now it's already repaired and back together, but I'll go ahead and show you guys a brief video about what I did here. So again, this is a Zenith. The only other thing that somebody did, I'm going to try to get the right one for it. This is the stereo indicator bulb. That's not the right one. It's supposed to be a smaller one that goes in here behind this faceplate. But you know, that works for now, because in some of these, and like this one, if that bulb is not in there, or if it's burned out, the stereo your stereo it'll come in mono is what I'm trying to say. Your multiplex won't work properly, because some of these are used in the circuit. So there's a transistor back there. I'll show you real quick. I'm going to put this in just for a second here and show you real quick. We're going to go through stations real quick. I don't want any copyright issues, but there we go, and then the FM, and here we go. Let's see here.
Job.
As you guys can see back there, I got a wire loose here on the speaker.
Needing physical touch and Wi-Fi as well.
And then see the indicator light comes on.
Party
interviews
in between the stations. Okay, so yeah, so it's
then I noticed
working very nicely. So yeah, like I said, there we go.
At Schnucks.
Okay. Well, I don't want any copyright, so I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration, and now I'll show you guys what I did here real fast. Okay, so here's the power supply. It was mounted on a separate board from the stereo. So here's the power supply, and this was bad. Okay, this is another one I had here. This was a new old stock electrolytic filter capacitor. You can see there where I tacked it on, I J-hooked it, and then soldered it on. Anytime you solder a part on any kind of electronic, if it's not on a printed circuit board, let me turn this light on here. There you go. You guys want to make like a little J-hook. Make a mechanical connection and then solder it. Don't just lay your terminals next to each other and solder them. So you want to make a good mechanical connection and then solder it. So that's what I did there with the power supply. This darn camera always has focus problems. So anyway, there's that. And let's take a quick look at the receiver itself here. It's got two separate circuit boards, this one does. Some of the other ones did not. Some of them do. There's our actual tuner board there, as you guys can see, with your RF and IF cans, your radio transistors. This other little board over here on the side, this right here is your multiplex, which separates your stereo separation, right channel, left channel. That's where the stereo indicator bulb is connected. See the wires? And a little transistor right there, that little black dome transistor is what powers that. You always want to make sure that bulb, wherever it's laying back there, you want to make sure it's not too strong or it's the right value, because you can burn that little transistor out. And that's part of the FM circuit, so if that's not working right, yeah, you're going to just have your audio will come in mono. So you don't want that either. So let's go take a look here and see what's on the other side. Somebody's horn happy out there. They're not for me, though. This is the audio amplifier board here on the bottom. And you can see back there, our audio output transistors will be mounted back here. There's the little screw for them there on the back of the chassis here, because they're using this metal as a heat sink to keep them cool. And I don't know if you can see them. They're those silicone transistors. Yeah, there's still some, yeah. They're back here on this back of this board here, so there you go. So there's our audio board, and there is our Zenith stereo console radio part. Just wanted to show up. Knob fell off there, didn't it? I gotta find that. That one was loose. I'm gonna try to fix that for the guys. So, well, there you have it, guys. Just wanted to give you a brief video on the Zenith console stereo board. Thanks for watching.